Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 50th anniversary celebration of the Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program of the Government of India. Even though this program was formally initiated in the year 1964 by the then Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, India's contribution to development cooperation policy actually predates this. Even before independence, there were students' exchange programs between India and some of its neighboring countries. So the idea to help other countries in capacity building was very much a part of the thinking of the statesmen of the then and the present India. Under the Technical Cooperation Scheme Colombo Plan also, India has been offering several courses both in civilian and defense category. Under the schemes of ITEC and TCS Colombo Plan, there are 161 partner countries which avail of various short and medium-term training courses. The Government of India has immensely benefited in building up its human resources. In the years since 2008, nearly 250 Sri Lankans from the central province, Sabaragamuva, Ugwa, Kurunegala, district of Northwestern Province, have availed of these training programs in the fields of IT, management, English proficiency, water resources, accounts and finance, and many others.
It's my privilege to be able to address this gathering as a person of Indian origin. We have about 200 years of history in this country, and all of us have become Sri Lankans. Now we are proud Sri Lankans still with lot of affection for India.
To share his experience in India with us. He has done master's degree.
I am highly satisfied that I have done some justice by winning the gold medal as a bachelor. Thank you. I sincerely thank the Government of India, the External Affairs Ministry of India, His Excellency the Assistant High Commissioner of India in Kandy, our Chief Secretary, the Deputy Chief Secretary personally in Ubud Province for providing me this golden opportunity. And also I would like to thank all the staffs in the Indian High Commission in Kandy, especially Deepika Madam, for helping us in completing the formalities.
A lot of things there. So you know, the course was really tight course. But in the meantime, the course was programmed very well. So this is actually edutainment course. I think this education plus entertainment. So in the daytime we had classes and
equal importance is given to Hindi along with other main foreign languages. Living in India and studying gave me more opportunities to connect with a broader range of people, which made my life easier. The importance of language is beneficial regardless. If you do it for fun, for your career, or even just for personal travel.
India's developmental experience acquired over 6 decades of her existence as a free nation. Under the Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program, they are providing us valuable opportunities to follow various courses conducted by leading institutes of India. NIIT is one of the famous institutes in India which conducts networking skills at NIIT New Delhi to speak out his experience.
My views on the extraordinary development of technology and infrastructure in India, and truly be impressed by the development of India. Furthermore, we are extremely proud to be in India when India successfully launched a satellite to Mars for the first time in the history of technology. Another unforgettable experience was the trips, and we went to Jaipur and Agra, which was a memorable experience in my life, and I am sure all my colleagues too felt the same.
Buddhism was the most prestige gift we received. So, we wish to express our gratitude and thanks to India at this moment for delivering education to the outside world continuously until today. We know that the world is rapidly moving from information era to knowledge era. In future, the strength of any country would not be the arms they possess or the military power, but they are
the welcome dance, Pushpanjali, set to Arabi Ragam.
To all those who have contributed in one way or the other to make this event a grand success. Let me express our sincere gratitude and appreciation to following guests of honor who have raised this occasion with their august presence here today.